Deep in the heart of a forgotten valley, beneath a heavy, melancholic morning sky, lies a story waiting to be told, a story of steel and time. Nature has begun to reclaim what was once a marvel of engineering, wrapping it in thick layers of orange rust and shimmering, delicate spider webs. But where most see a pile of discarded metal, one man sees a soul. The mechanic, Roll_01, approaches with a vision only he truly possesses. He opens the creaking door, and the air is thick with the scent of decades-old dust, a silent witness to a journey that ended too soon. Popping the hood reveals a heart that hasn't beaten in years, covered in grime. He places a weathered hand on the wheel, deciding its fate. The rescue begins. Metal chains clink and tension builds as the heavy-duty tow truck prepares to lift the ghost of a luxury masterpiece. As we travel along the winding coastal road, the clouds begin to part. The sun breaks through, symbolizing a new beginning for this relic. Finally, we arrive at the workshop. It is a place of transformation, where the smell of oil and the sound of tools promise a rebirth. The process is brutal and honest. Every seized bolt and decaying panel must be removed. The disassembly is the first step toward perfection. With the engine lifted out by the crane, the car is a skeleton. Now, the real work begins, fighting back years of environmental decay. Sparks fly like festive lights as the grinder meets the metal. We are cutting away the old to make room for the magnificent new. Welding requires precision and a steady hand. Roll_01 fuses the metal, reinforcing the backbone of what will soon be a luxury icon. Hours turn into days. The sanding process is tireless. We smooth every curve until the body panels gleam like polished silver under the lights. The engine restoration is a labor of love. Every gear and piston is cleaned until it shines like fine jewelry, ready to roar again. The mechanical heart is reassembled with surgical precision. It's no longer just a machine. It's a masterpiece of intricate, high-performance engineering. Now, the car enters the paint booth, the sanctuary of color. The spray gun applies a deep, lustrous coat that transforms the metal into glass. Look at that finish, it looks like liquid glass. The depth and clarity of the paint reflect a commitment to excellence without compromise. Next comes the luxury. Soft, premium leather seats are installed, providing a comfort that matches the car's majestic exterior. A polished wood dashboard is fitted into place, bringing a classic elegance back to the cockpit. Every detail is a nod to the past. Shiny chrome bumpers are bolted on, adding the final touches of brilliance. The transformation from a rusty skeleton is nearly complete. Take a moment to see how far we've come. The contrast between the then and now is a testament to the power of human skill. The garage lights flicker on one by one, revealing the final masterpiece. It is no longer an abandoned relic. It is a shining legend. Roll_01 stands back, wiping the grease from his hands. This is the moment every craftsman lives for, the birth of perfection from chaos. The engine turns over, and the sound is music to the ears. It's a powerful roar that echoes through the hills, signaling its return. We take it to the highway as the sun begins to set. The golden light reflects off its perfect curves, a dance of light and shadow. From an overgrown field to the open road, this journey has been nothing short of miraculous. A masterpiece has been truly reborn. Never underestimate what passion can achieve. This isn't just a car. It's a dream that refused to die, brought back to life by hand.